Hello, Mr. Clark. I'm Raymond Fu. Today I'll be explaining quiz 4, question 1. The first thing we had to do was figure out our qualifying integers. I did this through my head. On the quiz, question 1, it says that find the values that is divisible by 3 or 7 and divisible by 2. I thought of it as if it is divisible by 14 or 6. Because 2 times 7 and 2 times 3 is 14 and 6. So I just listed out. Hello, Mr. Clark. I'm Raymond Fu. Today I'll explain in quiz 4, question 1. The first thing we had to do was find our qualifying integers. I chose the value 24, 28, 30, and 36 because on the quiz question 1 it says that find the value that is divisible by 7 or 3 and divisible by 3. I thought of it as if it is divisible by 14 because 7 times 2 or divisible by 6, which is 2 times 3. And then I wrote them all out. So I wrote all the multiples of 14, which is 14, 28, and 42. And then I wrote out all the multiples of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. And then we chose the range between 20 and 40. And only 28, 24, 30, and 36 are in the range 20 to 40. Next I define my function, which is sums of squares of int from and to, where this is the start and this is the end. I set the sum accumulator to 0, and then I put a for I in range from, and then 2 plus 1. I put the plus 1 so it also includes the value 40. And then inside, I put an if variable where I put if I is divisible by 7 or divisible by 3 and divisible by 2, then it will update the sum accumulator by it multiplies all the value that satisfies this. It squares it, and then it adds it to the next one. And then I return the sum, a sum accumulator, and then I set the sum of A equals to this whole function up here. And then this right here is just to check the value. This is just to check if if my value is correct. And then I have the print where it prints the final answer. And then if I click run, we can see that it works up here, this one up here. And yeah.